Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with the C39 Ultra 2 smartwatch, and on this video we are going to test. We'll have a demo of the smart notification. So we will check this one. Let's see if it will work with the following application. So this smartwatch, okay, I'm going to show it to you here, do have a support for these applications. So we have Facebook here, WhatsApp application, we have the Twitter, QQ, and WeChat. But on our case, we'll test it with our messenger here, Instagram and Viber, as well as SMS. So let's see if it will work. So if you are interested to see the notification feature of the C39 Ultra 2 smartwatch, watch this video. And of course, support our channel. If you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so we are already paired with the support app. So we have here the application, the Highwear Plus app. As you can see here, the Highwear Plus application is connected to our smartwatch, Watch Ultra. And let's check out some of the options here for the push notifications. Let's go to the message reminder. So we have a support for SMS, Facebook Messenger, Instagram. We have the Viber here. Okay, so there's a lot of apps supported by our smartwatch. So let's try. Let's see if it will work. So we have here our another Android smartphone. So let's start with a messenger. So let's check. Hello. How are you today? Send a message. So this is messenger. Okay, did we receive any notifications? And we have it here. So we have a logo, we have the date and the time, and you have an option to view or dismiss the message. Go back, message, and we have here the message. Okay, delete the message. Another one. Okay, next, let's try to send a message here. Copy, then space, and let's see, okay, how many characters or words. Okay, view. I don't know why messenger is sending multiple notifications here, but we have here the exact message. So hello, a salutation or greetings in English. So not all, but it can provide a lot of information here or multiple sentences. Okay, if you read at the top, it will scroll automatically to show you the full message. Okay, that's good. How about call? Let's see. Calling and end call. Let's see if you receive the notification. We have, yes, we have here an audio call notification. Okay, so it works well with our messenger application. So let's go to the WhatsApp application. Let's say hello. Hi, how are you? Today? Message sent. Okay, is there a notification for our WhatsApp application? Not yet. Again, maybe just delayed. Clear all. No, we did not receive any messages. Again, hi. How about for call? And call. We did not receive any notification, as you can see here. Again, let's check. I wonder why it's not working. Highware Plus, message reminder. Again, are we connected? Maybe we are. Okay, we are still connected, as you can see here. Message reminder. Then we have the WhatsApp application here, so it is activated. It's okay for the WhatsApp, but we did not receive any notification. Okay, so it did not work with WhatsApp application. Again, let's see the messenger. Maybe we just have an issue with the connection. As you can see here, we do have the messenger. Again, for the WhatsApp application, let's send a hi. Okay, we have it here now. So it's just late or delayed, but we have here the messages. Okay, with our logo. For the call and call, incoming voice call, as you can see here. Okay, so everything works for the WhatsApp application. We just have a delay for the messages. Okay, maybe due to our internet connection and not the application. Next, Instagram. Let's send a message. Seems like everything works with our C39 Ultra. Hello, how do you do? Message sent. And we have here the Instagram message. Okay, so it works. Let's say, or let's call. And call. And we have here the missed call from WhatsApp application. Dismiss. Delete the message. Okay, so it works also with Instagram. Let's have the Viber application. Viber app. Let's say hello. Message sent. Nope, did not work. Similar to the C30, I think, or C90 Pro. Okay, there's no support for Viber, although it is listed. It's not working. Okay, we have it here. Okay, let's see. Is this the message from Viber? Hello, Viber. For our C90 Pro, did not work. Okay, hopefully with this one it will work. Okay, so it works with the Viber app, just delayed. Okay, so for the call, let's see. So we do have a generic logo. Calling. And call. And we have here a missed call from the Viber application. So it works with all of the apps that we tested. Messenger, WhatsApp, Instagram, and Viber. There's a delay, but I think everything is okay. The last one, let's see. Let's have the SMS notification. Hello. This is SMS. Message sent. Let's delete, and we have here the SMS. Okay, hello, this is SMS. And we have here an SMS logo. Okay, so everything works for our C39 Ultra 2. Very good so far with our smartwatch. Again, if you have any questions regarding the demo, drop a comment below. And of course, subscribe to our channel and like and share. Bye.